Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit photos in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to edit photos in it, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, launch your Snapseed app on your phone. Now, simply click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to edit. For now, I'll choose this photo. Once you are in this section, you can choose different styles from here. For now, I'll choose smooth and click here to save changes. Similarly, if we click on tools, you can see different options to edit our photos like tune image, details, curves, white balance, and so on. You can try any one of these editing options and edit your photos according to your liking. For now, I'll choose on tune image. You can do most of the photo edit in tune image. For example, if you want to decrease our brightness or increase our brightness, simply slide left or right, and just like that you can increase or decrease the brightness of your photo. And similarly, if we long press and scroll down, we can see different options to edit our photos. And once you're happy with your edit, click here to save changes. And just like that, we have edited a photo in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.